Assalamu alaikum class. Today our topic is about receptors in humans. Firstly, what is receptors? The organs which are present in humans and multicellular organisms body which can detect the different type of stimuli are known as the receptors. All of you know that different types of receptors are present in human body and also present in the multicellular organism, higher animals, in plants. When we discuss the coordinated action, we discuss the components of the coordinated action, and receptors is the second component of the coordinated action. So the organs which can detect the stimuli is known as the receptors. You know that in humans different types of receptors are present which can detect the external changes which are happening around our world. So that the major organs which can detect the stimuli in humans are here enlisted: eyes, ears, nose, taste buds, touch, heat and cold receptors, pain receptors. All these receptors are present in an animal's body or in an human's body. So firstly, today we discuss about the eye. Eye is the major component of the human body or major organ. Alhamdulillah, we were blessed because we have the eyes to see the beauty of the nature. So that today we discuss eyes in detail. So firstly, what is eye? Eye is, and where is the eye present in the human body or location of eye? Eye is located in a small portion of skull which is known as the orbit or the eye socket, which can protect our eye. So the outer covering is known, and the outer covering is formed in the located in the small portion of the skull, and these the covering are known as the eye sockets. So the second part is the eyelid. All of you know that lid bird is always used for the covering. So eyelid. The function of the eyelid to wipe the eyes. Wipe means to clean the eye, and dehydration prevention. Whenever you see the word dehydration, it's always means it is related to loss of water. Dehydration prevention, it's mean eyelids prevent the dehydration, so that it is important component. And then eyelashes. And the eyelashes, when we close our eyes, then these eyelashes are faces towards the outside environment. So when we close our eyes, then these eyelashes prevents the different types of dust particles and small insects, bacterial infections. So these eyelashes helps to prevent the different type of bacterial infections and different types of the dust particles entering in the eyes. Then eye is further divided into the three layers: outer layer, middle layer and the inner layer. So firstly we discuss about the outer layer. The outer layer of eyeball consists of the two components, sclera and the cornea. These are the two components which are present in the outer layer. What is sclera? The white color which we see front in eye, this portion of the eye is known as the sclera, and this color is made up from the connective tissues, dense connective tissues, and these protect the inner component of the eye. It also maintains the shape of the eye. The major function of the sclera is that these are formed by the connective tissues, and the give the protection of eyes, also maintains the shape of the eye. And the other portion is the cornea. Cornea is the transparent portion which is present in front of the sclera, so that when the light enter in the eyes, then the cornea admits light to the interior portion of the eye, so that when the light moves interior of the eye, so that they can focus and make a proper image. Then the second layer is the middle layer. Middle layer is also known as the choroid. This contains the different types of blood vessels. The dark color of eye is known as the choroid. It also prevents the disruption of the reflection. Disruptive mean distortion. It means ये किसी भी अक्स को क्लियर करके दिखाता है. डिस्ट्रप्टिव का मतलब है कि उसको ख़राब नहीं होने देता, धुंधला करने से ये बचाता है. जो मिडल लेयर है choroid है ये. And the portions of the middle layer is the iris and the pupil. And what is iris and what is